Hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day wherever you are, and today's video is going to be a get ready with me video. Today we're going to do like a really fall inspired look. It's going to be a little bit bold because, you know, your girl didn't do any Halloween looks this year. I apologize about that, but I feel like today I just want to be like a little bit extra looking because, well, I mean, right now I look kind of bland, but I want to look a little bit extra. So today we're going to do a really fall-inspired look. So I do have a little kit we're going to use today. Today's video is sponsored by Deco Scarlet, which you guys, I've talked about Deco Scarlet so many times on my channel, I can't even tell you right now. But Deco Scarlet has a new like motto they're going for. So it used to be every other month you'd get a palette. They actually do every month now, and you can get palettes and little kits and so much more. So this month, well, for October, they did a Celestial Nights kit, which is right here, and it's so cute. And I looked at the colors in here and I'm like kind of dying. That's why I kind of want to do like an extra look today. So today we're going to use the kit from the Deco Scarlet palette. It is $29.95 every month, and you get palettes, you get kits, you get all kinds of different things. They have like a nice theme every time too, and the newest palette they released is in collaboration with Kate Marks. I saw her reveal video yesterday and I was kind of excited. It's a really cute color scheme. But today we're going to use this kit, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty free, and so is everything in this video. Also, I think everything in this video is also vegan, so that's really cool as well. Let's go ahead and get started. I have my eyelids primed, but my face feels very bland right now, so let's go ahead and get started with the like contour highlight blush situation, just so I have like a little bit of color to my face. I feel real flat right now. I'm sorry. So I have this new Juno & Co. Cherry Bomb little palette. This is so cute. They have like a darker one and a lighter one. Obviously I got the lighter one, so the Cherry Bomb is so cute, and it came in the cutest little basket. So this is what it looks like. I want to use this shade today to contour because I haven't tried it yet. I used the glowy blush the other day, but I haven't used this contouring shade yet. So I'm going to do that with my Sigma F83 brush from my brush set. Oh, that was a lot more pigmented than I expected. Okay, go light into this shade if you use this. That was way too pigmented. I gotta go lighter on the other side. Like, do not go in this thing super heavy because it's extremely pigmented. Which, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but I just didn't know. And this F83 brush is so dense, it picks up a lot of product. So when the kickback in the pan comes up, like on the top, just take that the next time. Don't like dip in again. It's actually a really good shade to go underneath of the chin. It's a pretty good shade for like pretending I have an actual jawline. It's pretty good. This is just it's really heavy though, but this looks better. This doesn't look as like whatever I did with that one. I don't know. It's okay. I have hair to cover it up. It's fine. For blush, I'm gonna take a Real Techniques little cheek brush into this blush right here. It's the only shade I've tried so far, and I really like it. It's like a really pretty glowy blush. I don't know if it's supposed to be a blush or a highlighter because it has like that shimmer to it. I've been using it as a blush because it is so pink, and since I've been on the hunt for a glowy blush, this one's been working for me. It does kind of stick where you put it, but not in like, you know, an unreasonable way. I'm kind of blushing it into the contour. This side is just so intense. I really messed up with that contour shade. For highlight, I'm going to go into our little Deco Scarlet kit. So let's tell you what's inside of here first. So we have this Molten eyeshadow. It's really big. Like, you get a ton of product in here. Look at that. And then this is what it looks like. It has a little cushion. I take the cushion out. I've already looked at this stuff, you guys. I couldn't not look at it. This is the Molten eyeshadow we're going to use on the lid. It's so cool. It's so cool. It feels really cool if you touch it. I'm just saying. The other thing we have is a lip stain with like a little bit of like a shine on the other side. So this is it. So on one side here we have a lip color, and on the other side, pink, we have a lip color. So this one's more of a stain, this one's more of like the glossy side. So it's like a glaze. And for the final thing in this kit, it's really cute colors. It definitely fits like the Celestial Nights. This is the Deco Scarlet Eternal and Astral highlighter duo. I already swatched it. It's really pretty. And let's go ahead and get started with the highlight. So I'm going to use my Sigma F03 brush. I'm going to dip this side into, which is this one, Eternal. And then I'm going to do the other side. We'll do Astral so you can see the difference. One's more like a yellowy, one's more of a white shade. So I'm going to dip in here. Oh, it's really pretty. I don't see like a weirdness because it does look like a kind of a little bit of like a unique color in the pan. You can see like a little bit of a shift. It's like a golden, but it mostly looks like a pretty white shimmery highlight. Put a little bit underneath the brow. And I'm going to do this first color because it is more of the lighter shade on my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. I don't do too much highlight on the chin because I have a little bit of texture here lately. But, you know, you get the idea. And also for Astral, which is like the greeny shade, I take the same brush and we'll do it right here. Oh, this shade is so cool. I thought it'd be more greeny on the face. It's kind of like an alien yellowy because you can see like it's a different hue. It's not like an icy looking shade. It's so unique. It is kind of green. Well, I don't know. It's kind of gold. You guys can let me know if you can see what color this is. I'm just putting this everywhere, like everywhere, even really far in because like, I don't know. I like it. It's unique. Like that's such a cool shade. Like it looks yellowy, looks kind of green in some angles. But from the side, it doesn't come off as like a weird dark color, which a lot of times when I have a highlight shade that's like a purple or a green or something, it comes off as kind of weird and like straightforward on like a pale skin tone. But this one actually doesn't. It looks really cute. I'm just gonna tuck my hair back for this video. That shade though. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one's a little more unique. I put it really far in, but yay! Okay. Alright guys, so for eyeshadow I have an E40 brush, which is a really big blending brush from Sigma, and the Alter Ego Goddess palette. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to buff a little bit of a brown shade over the crease so we can put the molten eyeshadow on. I don't really want like a really precise look. I want this to look like an effortless like moment. So for the Goddess palette, I'm going to take the shade Iris, which is this shade. Right here, I'm going to buff this over our crease. To build up our crease a little bit, I'm going to go into the shade Juno, which is a little bit of a darker shade. And again, just buffing this over the crease everywhere. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use the Gold Leaf eyeshadow in the shade Molten from Deca Scarlet Kit. Look how reflective that is. I'm really excited. I'm going to take it on a flat brush. This is an E58 brush by Sigma. I'm just going to pick it up. I don't know if we need to wet the brush or not. So this is kind of like chunky, but it's like a Gold Leaf Molten eyeshadow. It's so cool. I'm just going to put this on the lid. I actually think maybe this would apply nicely with a finger or a wet brush. This one's a dry brush right now. Ooh, it's so golden. Let's actually try it with my finger. I'm gonna use my pinky. Ew, it feels weird. Okay, I'm just gonna brush this. Oh my gosh. It is like a gold leaf. I don't have another eyeshadow like this. It feels like what you think gold leaf feels like. It's not wet. Like, you think it'd be wet. It's not. It's literally like fancy gold leaf. If you were like a rich person writing like a fancy letter, I guess that's what you'd use it for. Like real gold leaf. This looks so cool. Carefully, I'm diffusing the edges with that blending brush while this is still like fresh on the lid. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take this little Luxie mini round brush 141 and I'm going to take it into the shade Hera, which is this medium brown shade right here. And I'm just going to dust some brown along my lower lash line just for a little bit of dimension on the lower lash line. I don't want anything too crazy down here because we are going to do like a lip stain as well, which is going to be a little bit darker hue. But I definitely want to bring my eyes forward by adding shadow underneath here. Alright, now I want to go back into our little highlighter duo right here. I'm going to go into that first shade, which was Eternal. And I'm going to use my pinky like I always do for my inner corner highlight. And just pop that in the inner corner a little bit. Just feel like when you don't have an inner corner highlight, your eyes don't look awake enough. And I really want my eyes to look awake and big and brought forward. Like, my whole goal in life is to have bigger eyes, honestly. So, my eyeshadow is done. I'm going to go pop on some lashes. For lashes today, I'm going to use the ColourPop little Mammy shade. Mammy, I don't know. I'm going to pop these on and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back with the lashes on. These lashes are really cute. And the eyeshadow look is so like metallic-y and pretty. But it's so like subtle too. Like it kind of matches my hair a little bit. I'm pretty much into it. Like a lot more than I thought it would be. Because I thought in the container, it looked like it was going to be like a little bit like dark on the lid. But it's so reflective. It just like hits the light beautifully. And I'm here for it. Also the little blushy thing we did was really cute too. So let's move on to the lips now. Actually, no, I'm going to put eyeliner on. I have the Tarte Fake Away eyeliner. It's a nude. I'm going to put it in my waterline. Because again, make sure your eyes look bigger. And I always forget sometimes what I'm doing, like my makeup normally, I don't forget waterline and eyeliner. But when I'm doing my makeup on camera, for some reason, I always forget to put this in my waterline. Alright, now we're ready for lips. So we're going to take this Wicked and Temptress. So we're going to take the stain side. Actually, let's swatch them both. So this is the stain side, which is more of a purpley shade. It's very wet, and I kind of like the little tip at the end of the applicator. It's kind of precise looking. And then this is the glaze side. So this is in the shade Wicked, and that's that side. So let's, ooh, wait, that might match the reflectiveness on the lid. I'm definitely a matte person, so a glaze and a lip stain are things I typically use, so I kind of want to be like a little bit adventurous today. So let's give the glaze like a swatchy on the lids. It's kind of cute. It's kind of everything, actually. Ooh, it has a redness to it. On the swatch, it looks like gold. It kind of matches this. It kind of matches the stain. Well, if I just let the glaze all over the place, though. Because, like, that color... So I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put the stain down, then do the glaze, because it is like a duo. But this glaze has so much pigment to it that looks like a solid lipstick on its own. Like, you don't have to do them together. And this gold reflectiveness is so pretty. Y'all already know I'm a die-hard liquid lipstick, like, matte person. I don't know why I'm feeling just so, like, out there and different today. And it's just a weird vibe about the day going on so far. So I feel like I could try different highlight colors. Try like a gold leaf eyeshadow. I never do that. Try something metallic and shiny on the lips. Which actually looks really strange to me, because I'm not used to seeing myself with shiny lips. Anyways, you guys, this is our finished look. The skin looks really good. Like the blush, the highlight shade, especially this weird highlight shade. The reflective eyeshadow. Even the shiny lips. I need to whiten my teeth, I get that. But like, I don't know. I'm kind of thinking this looks pretty cute. My hair doesn't look great, but this looks pretty cute. Anyways, you guys, please let me know what you think in the comment section down below of these products. Of course, I will leave Deck of Scarlet link to the top of the description box for you, as well as other products used in today's video. Thank you for getting ready with me. It wasn't like a very talkative get ready with me. I just kind of wanted to play with some makeup today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. I'm actually really living. I think it's the eyeshadow I'm living for the most. Like, the eyeshadow is really cute. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.